WeBoost has rebranded the Drive 4GX to just the X and dropped the price. Hi there, I'm Cherie with the Mobile Internet Resource Center, and this week cellular booster manufacturer WeBoost has rebranded their Drive 4GX to just the Drive X, and they have dropped the price of this cellular booster kit from $449 to $399. Now this is just their vehicle cellular booster kit. It comes with a little 4-inch stubby antenna, and it's designed for automobiles and maybe trucks. It's not necessarily designed for RVs or large vehicles. Those kits are remaining at their price of $499, but the base kit has dropped to $399. Now this is where it starts to get a little bit confusing in the cellular booster industry, because the 4GX used to be WeBoost's flagship cellular booster for vehicles and RVs. They, however, in May replaced it with the Drive Reach, which has more uplink power and is overall just a stronger booster for mobility. That kit, however, only comes in the vehicle kit with a little 4-inch antenna. It does not yet have options for RVs and larger vehicles. However, WeBoost did release a new RV kit based on the Drive X, which is now the midline cellular booster, with the taller 4G OTR antenna. And we covered that over the summer. They still don't have a similar version with the Reach, which is now their flagship booster. So it gets all confusing right now, especially for RVers and boaters who are looking for a mobile cellular booster as to which one to get, because their top-end one, the Reach, doesn't have kits with the cellular antennas that we would really prefer, and their vehicle kits are now moving in their product line. So the Reach is still at the top end, and now the 4GX is the base model end. There's also, of course, the Sleek, which is their single device booster. Cellular boosters have also had a lot of new entries this past year of other companies. SureCalled, SolidRF, and Cellfi are all also in the market, and HiBoost also has new options coming out. We're constantly covering all of these options, and we're testing them. In fact, we just wrapped up an extensive cellular booster testing round. One of our team members took several of these models across country, including the new WeBoost Reach and the 4GX, comparing them head-to-head in multiple locations. Those testing results are now complete. They are being shared with our premium members who do all the funding for all of our extensive testing, and we are summarizing those results and getting our reviews updated. So if you are in the market for a cellular booster, definitely do your research on this, because remember, cellular boosters are not always the right option for boosting or getting the best cellular data performance. We actually prefer MIMO antennas, and we have videos on that topic as well. So definitely do your research on this. We have a full guide to mobile cellular boosters, which you'll find linked right down below, where you can go learn more and go read all about all of the different options of cellular boosters that are out there. These videos are brought to you by our premium members, our mobile internet aficionados. They make it possible for us to track this news and create these videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, or better yet, consider becoming a member yourself.